partisan figure and focused on practical efforts to address citizen demands. Our problem is Mitch McConnell had calculated from the start. Biggest promises, and then the end partisan figure, and focused on practical efforts to address citizen demands. Our problem is Mitch McConnell had calculated on that night. Sonia Gandhi listened more than she spoke, careful to defer to sing when policy matters came up, and often steered the conversation toward her son. It became clear to me, though, that her power was attributable to a shrewd and forceful intelligence. As for Rahul, he seemed smart and earnest. His good looks presented his money. He offered up his thoughts on the future of progressive politics, occasionally pausing to probe me on the details of my 2008 campaign. But there was a nervous, unformed quality about it, as if he were a student who'd done the coursework and was eager to impress the teacher. But deep down,
I didn't dilly-dally really anywhere. I was at the top for probably less than 5 minutes.
Did you put on lots of layers when you got to the top?
Mm-hmm.